Hey everybody, and welcome. I know I haven't been putting up too many videos. I think the last one was just a haul, but I have started on Halloween stuff. You know, I already shared my Halloween themed TNs, which is my pocket and my B6, and I do want to show you the layouts real quick, and then I'll show you some of the things that I've been working on. They're not done because these are more like embellishments, but they are using silhouette files. So in my pocket, I did add actually some paper clips. Now I made these three probably last year or within the past couple of years, and then these here that you're gonna see soon, there's three in here, are the Walmart ones that I just showed in my haul. So, and then I put this, I found at Hobby Lobby on clearance. I just decided to stick it on there because I do like Harlequin. So really quick, oh, and there is a file that I'm going to show you. I don't have the roll out, but this is the packaging for a vinyl or adhesive vinyl that I got from Hobby Lobby, maybe Joann's, I can't remember. But it is American Crafts brand, and it was the holographic one. I don't think it has a name, does it? No, it's just hollow, and you can kind of see here it's, you know, it looks like different colors. So I did cut eyelashes and I stuck them down here, and I used my silhouette camera. It was the first time. The only issue that I have with it is when you unroll the roll, it wrinkles on you, so you have to like unpeel it and flatten it out really good before you run it through your machine. But I did do that, and I cut another file. This one here is just called Lashes from Teresa Collins, and the design ID is 174094 for that. Okay, so I gotta see what I'm doing here. So the layout, I did use some a kit that I found through Etsy. I'm not gonna go into details. This is my health and fitness, so I never really show anything filled in here, but I used a couple of kits from online. I've used these before. I don't have the name for it now, but this one here is let's make a plan.etsy.com. So that's where that's from. So it's a pastel, and I kind of wanted to do a little bit of pastel for the holidays, and I am already doing Halloween, you know, even though it's only September, because I love it. So I'll be celebrating for 2 months. So that was that, and I'm using that same kit in here. I did find my pen with the orange and black that was gifted to me maybe 2 years back. I can't remember. I'm not gonna remember anything. So in here, here's that paper clip from Walmart. It comes with 2 clips and then some sticky notes. Oh no, was it in here? No, this is separate. But I also used this, and then these came with pastel colored fluffy pens. So let me just show you the layout real quick. Here's some of those notes. They're not sticky notes, they're just list pads. So here is the unicorn, the skeleton unicorn, and then the cat. Here's my layout. I just love the pastel colors. Okay, so that's pretty much it there, but I did want to show you this cut here. So I stuck it down to the paper, not my cover. Only thing is that I had a wrinkle here when I was putting it down. I couldn't fix that. This I don't think it's not available anymore, because I tried to look it up, and where's my screen? I could only give you the name but not the file number because it doesn't come up, so I'm assuming it's just not available anymore. But they had several of these different kinds of Halloween frames when I purchased them maybe a couple of years back. I'm looking for it right now, so just give me a second. Okay, so, and I do apologize for not having any kind of tutorials or process videos on any of these things that I'm about to show you. I just don't have the time for it. I'm just taking a few minutes here and there to put things together, cut stuff up. It's just been crazy. Okay, so it's called Halloween Skeleton profile frame by Jamie, Koay, and she has several of them, but again, once I click on it, it doesn't appear, so I can't give you a design ID. So maybe you already have this in your stash, Silhouette, or the design store from Silhouette. So I think that's all that I have to share. Yeah, I think so. Okay, so let's just get on with it, because this is, I think, episode number 2. I will, though, hopefully, I don't know when, I do want to make the tutorial on this bow dangle clip thing. Okay, so now let's just start with whatever file I can find real quick on my computer, and then I'll talk about that. Okay, let's go back to the first page. Hold on. So I just saw it. Where is it? I'm doing this while my husband's taking a nap before I go start cooking dinner, because I am going to start cooking dinner. Alright, so we're going to start with this one. I've used this file in the past. It's a 5-point 3D pinwheel. And it's from Snapdragon Snippets. The design ID is 61640. This is from like 2014. So I literally got rid of everything minus the 5-point pinwheel. It actually had cutouts of stars, because it's supposed to kind of look like, what do you call it? Make me think. Like a ninja star. So, and it comes with other things that you can lay on here, but all I wanted was just a plain 5-point pinwheel. So I deleted the little points, you know, that cuts the little stars, and deleted everything else that I didn't need. So I cut it a couple times and then just put it together. Put some brads that I had, although I most likely will change them out. They're just holding it together right now, so I didn't put anything on the back yet. Okay, so I'm not sure if this is going to be just an embellishment or if I'm going to turn it into a wand or not. But I did it in black cardstock that was in my stash that I picked up some. I think I picked it up at Tuesday morning, the black cardstock. It's a nice thick cardstock. So, you know, just getting embellishments ready for projects. I want to make packaged embellishments, and then I'm going to have some to use. So the next one I'm going to show you, because I just saw the file, is these, and I did in a couple of sizes. These are doily favor bag toppers by Karina Gardner, and the design ID is 67047, and I made them to fit these two things here. Now this I found a long time ago at Tuesday morning. They're 5 and 11/16 by 7.5. And then these, I want to say I found also at Tuesday morning, but these are 4 inches wide by, I think, 6 inches here where the opening starts. Okay, so I just shrunk them down to fit, because they come out really big when you open the file. And I did 2 of them of each size, and they fit on 12-inch mat, so you can cut all this on 1 12 by 12 paper. And it gives you, it's pretty much done. You know, you just cut it and fold it, and it'll go around your packaging like so. Let me look at my camera. Hopefully I'm on. There you go. So, and then you got a cute little bag topper and plenty of space for decoration, which is what I'm going to do. I'm going to cut a few more of these. I did save it, you know, with everything on there and the right size, so that I can just cut a few more. Here's the bigger one. I really guesstimated on these sizes to make it work, and it fit perfectly. One of these I already folded. Here we go. So, yeah. So lots of place, a lot of space for decorating, and it's really pretty. Now, it's not necessarily a file for Halloween, but you can use it for any time of the year. Just change out the color of your cardstock. Okay. So let me go to the next file real quick and see what else I have, because I have 3 more things to share. Alright, let's try and find, I think, the rosette. Nope. Okay. Let's go to the next page. Okay, the coffee cup. Or the takeout cup, whatever you want to call it. That one's actually called pumpkin spice coffee. It comes with a pumpkin that you can cut out. And I could have done that, but you have to piece it together, and I can't. I just can't piece it together. So I figured I bought a lot of stickers and embellishments that I can use. So it's called Pumpkin Spice Coffee by Sweet LC, and the design ID is 151232. And I just cut out of 3 different papers. The black cardstock for the background, this piece here. I used this orange for the lid, and then this one for the sleeve. And then I'm just going to add to it some decorations. And the Halloween, I think this one, let me see. I want to tell you I got this last year at Michael's. It's a nice thick cardstock, and it comes with the Halloween colors. So it says 65 pound cover. It's almost as thick as the 110 pound weight that I use. And then the polka dot, I use this one that I'm trying to use up from Hobby Lobby, Trick or Treat. So, okay. So I did put together 4 of them, but again, I am going to add to these some decor. Let me come back to, okay, there we go. And I'll probably use one, and then the rest gift, or maybe put them in my little bags that I want to, you know, as part of embellishment. So these are like maybe like a tag or something. I made them a nice size. I did 4 1/4, a little more than that, by the widest part is 2 1/2. So it's, I thought that'd be a nice size for a tag. I actually shrunk it down from its original size. So we've got the coffee cups. And then let me try to find the other ones. I got 2 more left to go. I wish I could have this already, but it's kind of hard. Because in your files, you only get like a name if you're lucky, and then you don't get the design ID for it. You have to go into your account. Alright, so I am looking for this one here. Okay, is this it? Nope, that's not it. Come on. I might have passed it. Oh, here it is. Okay, here's the bow. And this bow, it kind of comes out, is this the right? Yeah, it comes with a flower, a layered flower that you can put together, and then even the little stamen that you can put in there. But I opted out. It's called 3D Triple Bow with Flower, and it's by Jamie Cripps, I think. Cripps. The ID is 60742. I've used this many times in the past. So you get this, the 4 in the back is 1 piece that you put together, and then they give you an extra one to layer on top, and then the tail on the back. I don't recall if it had a little strap to go around here. I'm sure it did. I just, you know, didn't cut it because I'm just going to add a center. So I did 2. Either I'm going to finish it off with the center and gift it, or I'll put it on my packaging. We'll see. You know, which is the one that I focused here. Something, you know, either in the middle. This is going to be really cute there. Anyway, so just, you know, I only did 2 to finish up, because I like, when I cut, I want to cut a whole sheet. I don't really want to just cut parts, although I did when I was cutting this one here, but I tried to fill up a whole sheet with things I want to cut out. So lastly, let me put everything together on my thing. Lastly are these 2. It's just 1 file, but, and it does cut small. I'm probably going to have a hard time finding this one too. Yeah, I'm going to have to go to the beginning. Oh, give me a second. Excuse me. Is that it? Nope, that's not it. I always had a hard time finding my files. Hmm. I have several rosette cuts in here, but that one, and I'm sure that maybe they have a design for Halloween too, but I really didn't want to buy any more files because I'm probably not going to be doing that much cutting. I try to just get it all done in one shot. Oh, I found it. Yay! Alright, so this one is called 3D Accordion Pleated Rosette Flower, and it's from ALAAK, Alec, I guess, and the design ID is 62437. And it also gives you this, you know, little circle cuts, but I always just use my circle punches for that. I don't bother using the machine to cut my circles. So it's just, you know, simple. Let's see if you can see. You can kind of see the holes here, but it's pretty small. It's just over like 2.5 inches, maybe close to 2.5 inches. Once you put it together with just one strip, I'm sure you can make it bigger if you stick the 2 strips together. And the whole strip is about 12 inches. So that's how that looks. And again, I'm not sure if I am going to, it's too small for that. I might just layer like something here in a different color, maybe put this on, or add it to a wand. I don't know. I just wanted to make a couple of black ones. The rest I'm probably gonna make by with the scoreboard and, you know, my tool, and just make some bigger ones. But I just wanted to have a couple using files. Okay, so that's all that I have for you today on this episode of my Halloween series for 2018. It's just some silhouette cut files, and they're ready to be used. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you guys next time. Bye now.